Everybody, it's Callaway Talks. I'm Harry Arnett, and I'm here with my good buddy, the man that runs all things putter at Odyssey Golf and Toulon Design, which is what a coincidence because your last name is Toulon. Mr. Sean Toulon, and we brought you on board, what's it been, August when you joined our company?
September the
something
12th.
Like that? September the 12th.
Yeah.
And we had a great putter business. We have a great putter business.
Absolutely.
Steady as could be.
Yep.
Number one, brought you in. All hell has broken loose with the new O-Works and our micro hinge technology. I've never been around insert technology or a product like this that has captured the imagination of everybody that tries it.
Well, I think the reason why, and I would agree with everything you just said, the reason why it's captured the imagination, because I think it has just been sort of the essence of all great things Odyssey. So, Odyssey, when you think about it, you think about an insert. This is a totally new technology that gives you much better roll. You think about Odyssey, you think about inserts, you think about that legendary feel. It's got a soft feel that the players absolutely just adore. And then it's just got an incredibly cool, contemporary, but very intelligent look to the overall design of the whole package. And, I think we hit on all cylinders here.
I think it's one of those products that you've been around a little bit longer than I have.
I have.
One putt and something different has happened.
You can. And I said the other day to somebody who is, tell me about this new insert. I said, well, when you hit the first putt with it, for sure, you're going to see the ball roll differently. But I'm telling you, Harry, and you've seen it and heard it, it actually, you hear a different sound of the ball rolling on the green. It's something that most golfers will have never experienced before, but the performance, and people don't really get that putters perform at different levels. They have launch conditions just like a driver would, right? You can totally see the difference in performance here.
So what is actually happening? I know that you can see that the insert is different. You can see the little hinges that are on there, but what is actually happening to the golf ball when it hits?
Well, so let me give you the benefit first, and then I'll tell you kind of how the whole thing happens. So the insert reacts in a way that it actually gives the golf ball a little bit of initial lift, which you need to get the ball up in the air out of its little indentation, because the ball is being pulled down to the earth by gravity, right? So it needs to get up in the air. So it gives you a little bit of launch angle. So think of it as sort of high launch. And then instead of high launch, low spin like you would want with a driver, it actually lifts the ball into an immediate forward roll. So that is something that really is unique to us. I think the really interesting thing is that's the way touring professionals have kind of trained themselves to try to putt. Not everybody can do it. But the way that this insert works, with pretty much any putting stroke, you're going to get this phenomenon of immediate topspin, which just means the ball rolls way more consistently.
I'm going to putt it kind of like a tour player. That's what I'm hearing.
No, you are. And you're going to see it from the very first one. So what happens is it's a dynamic system. So impact, those little hinges, they actually kind of go back into the back polymer material, which forces the metal hinges back out, picks up the golf ball, and turns it into this immediate forward roll. So it's an incredible system that all players have just gone crazy for.
That's incredibly technical on a product that you don't really think of as having this technical machine working for you.
Yeah, but they do, right? And I tell you, the reason why we can do that is because we have the R&D resources available to us that most golf companies don't, and almost no putter companies do, right? So the level of research and science that goes into these things, I think with this company is totally unmatched. And then you bring these putters to life by making them beautiful and making them sound right, and the whole thing becomes this sort of visceral experience that is totally different. So great science, great art, things come together, and it totally redefines putting.
I call that
big one.
All hell is breaking loose. Look what you've done.
All hell is breaking loose.
Look what you've done.
Actually, I didn't do anything here. You guys had already worked on it.
Well, it'll never be the same.
But I'll take the credit.
Yeah, you give the. Why wouldn't you?
You're right.
Why wouldn't you? I can't wait. This is a mid-February thing for us. Go out, all you got to, I mean, honestly, I normally, when I try a new putter, I'm on the putting green, I'll drop 3 balls down and putt it. Honestly, the one ball, there's something different going on. I can't wait for golfers to try that.
Well, and I'll just watch TV, because you will see this on Sundays. You'll see it when they're holding up the big check. But when the last putt goes in on Sunday, more often than not, I think you're going to see this new micro hinge insert in the putter that the guy's holding, because it's phenomenal.
That's the micro hinge insert from Odyssey Golf in the new O-Works line. You got to go check it out. Thanks, everybody, for watching. Sean, thanks for being here.
You bet, Harry.
We'll
Thanks
see
for
you
having
again
me.
on Callaway Talks.
Okay.